welcome back. It's time for the capital D. We're on page 101 in your handwriting book. We're going to talk about the capital D for cursive. So make sure you're there with us. We learned the A and the capital O. Let's review them together. Everybody put your pencil pointers up. Do this with me. Capital A starts with a down curve, under curve, slant, under curve. How about a capital O? Where does that start? At the top. We have an O starting with a down curve, under curve, loop, touch. The A connects to the next letters and the O does not. Now let's look at the next letter in your book. The capital D. The capital D has kind of some roller coastery movements around there, doesn't it? The D, do you think that it looks like its print version? Kind of does. The capital D starts at the top and a down curve, but then it loops around and then around again and around again. So let's talk about this together. Let's put it together. So I'm going to erase these. To start the capital D, you're going to make a down curve loop. So everybody do this with me. Down curve loop. Try that again. Down curve left loop. Do it again. Down curve left loop. See how that works? Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do under curve and over. Kind of like the end of the letter O, right? So we're down here. We're going to do an under curve up and a loop. Let's put them together. So we start at the top, down curve left loop, under curve, loop, touch. And you have a capital D. Let's try it together. This one can be kind of tricky. We have a down curve, left loop, under curve, loop, touch. The letter D can be for a couple names from our class. I think I know. Let's go in alphabetical order. So the letter D does not touch, does it, David? We have this for D, A, V, I, D. Good job. Oh, by the way, once we have the capital letters of your first name, I expect you to write that on all of your papers in cursive because we need to know this. All right, let's see who else. Oh, I think we have Delaney. Down curve, left loop, under curve, loop, touch. So Delaney, we're going to finish out your name here and then go to A. Remember, we don't pick it up except after those first letters that we don't connect. There we go. Nice, everybody. Nice, everybody. Let's try it one more time. And I'm going to have you do it. So everybody put your pencils up. Down curve, left loop, under curve, loop, touch. All right, let's look at page 101. It says Dylan and Dan are best friends. The D's don't connect. You're going to write 3 rows of D's. After you do, you're going to trace and write those proper nouns. What's that first word there? Delaware. That is one of the 50 states. It is out east. Then we have a month of December. Does anybody have a December birthday? I think some of you do. How about the next part? D with an R period. What does that stand for? That's an abbreviation for doctor. Good job if you said that. If not, now you've learned that as well. Then look at the sentence. Dylan shares with Dan. That's a very kind thing to do, don't you think? All right, you are going to trace those words and write them. Trace the sentence and write. And I do mean that I need you to trace it because you do need to learn this. So make sure you're doing that now and finish up the page for the D's, and I will see you next time.